Learn English to Gujarati planning words. Objective 2.
સિદ્ધાંત.
Welcome to the planning circus. Hey, you are about to learn some wonderfully serious words in a not so serious way. Let us make your Gujarati sound smart, confident, and just a little bit dramatic. Today your mission is to master 7 big ideas in English and Gujarati. We begin with objective,
લક્ષ્ય.
then implementation,
અમલીકરણ.
procedure,
પ્રક્રિયા.
measure, in the sense of an action taken,
પગલું.
strategy,
સ્ટ્રેટેજી.
concept,
સંકલ્પના.
and principle.
સિદ્ધાંત.
If these words sound formal, good. You are about to become the person in the meeting who nods wisely. One very ambitious goat. Stories help words stick, so meet our hero, a goat with a clipboard. Yes, education has reached a strange and glorious moment. On Monday morning, the goat announced, "My objective is clear." In Gujarati, that is,
મારું લક્ષ્ય સ્પષ્ટ છે.
the goat wanted to open the first rooftop salad cafe in town. That was the
લક્ષ્ય.
But a goal alone is not enough. The goat needed implementation, or
અમલીકરણ.
the signboard was ready, the menu was ready, and the goat said, "Now comes."
અમલીકરણ.
Single quote. Then came the official office nightmare, the procedure.
પ્રક્રિયા.
Fill this form, stamp that paper, stand in line, wonder about your life choices. After that, the mayor announced a safety measure, a new.
પગલું.
Because apparently rooftop goats require regulations. The goat then changed its strategy.
સ્ટ્રેટેજી.
And offered free cucumber tea. Suddenly the business concept
સંકલ્પના.
made sense to everyone. And through it all, the goat followed one principle, one.
સિદ્ધાંત.
Never serve wilted lettuce. A strong moral code, honestly. Word focus. Now let us slow down and make each word feel friendly. You do not need to wrestle these words, just shake hands with them. Objective is.
લક્ષ્ય.
Think of a target. The team reached its.
લક્ષ્ય.
Implementation is.
અમલીકરણ.
It means putting a plan into action. A brilliant idea without.
અમલીકરણ.
Is just a fancy nap. Procedure is.
પ્રક્રિયા.
It is a sequence of steps. Please follow the.
પ્રક્રિયા.
Carefully. Measure is.
પગલું.
When it means an action taken. The government announced a new.
પગલું.
Strategy is.
સ્ટ્રેટેજી.
It is the bigger plan behind your moves. A good.
સ્ટ્રેટેજી.
Can save time. Concept is.
સંકલ્પના.
It is an idea you understand in the mind. The teacher explained the.
સંકલ્પના.
Clearly. Principle is.
સિદ્ધાંત.
It is a guiding rule or belief. Honesty is an important.
સિદ્ધાંત.
Mini dialogue at the office. You are now entering the magical land of meetings, where people use 12 words to say one thing. Luckily, you are learning the useful ones. Manager, what is our objective? You, are.
લક્ષ્ય.
Is to finish the project this week. Manager, good. What about implementation? You, the.
અમલીકરણ.
Starts today. Manager, and the procedure? You, the.
પ્રક્રિયા.
Is simple, but the printer disagrees. Manager, do we need a new measure? You, yes, one urgent.
પગલું.
Will improve safety. Manager, what is the strategy? You, are.
સ્ટ્રેટેજી.
Is to work smart, not just loudly. Manager, do you understand the concept? You, yes, the main.
સંકલ્પના.
Is clear now. Manager, and what principle guides us? You, 1.
સિદ્ધાંત.
No chaos before coffee. Memory tricks that actually behave. Let us glue these words into your memory with silly images. Your brain loves weird details, so we will give it a proper show. 4.
લક્ષ્ય.
Imagine a giant glowing target on your desk. Your finger points straight at it. That is your objective. 4.
અમલીકરણ.
Imagine a huge rubber stamp crashing onto a plan and making it real. That is implementation. 4.
प्रक्रिया.
Imagine a staircase with numbered steps. Step 1, Step 2, Step 3. That is a procedure. 4.
पगलू.
Picture one bold footstep solving a problem. A measure is a step taken. 4.
स्ट्रेटेजी.
Imagine a chessboard. Every move matters. That is strategy. 4.
संकल्पना.
See a glowing light bulb above a notebook. That is a concept. 4.
सिद्धांत.
Imagine a golden pillar that never bends. That is a principle. Quick drill. Your turn. I say the English word, and you imagine the Gujarati. No panic, no dramatic fainting. Objective.
लक्ष्य.
Implementation.
अमलीकरण.
Procedure.
प्रक्रिया.
Measure.
पगलू.
Strategy.
स्ट्रेटेजी.
Concept.
संकल्पना.
Principle.
सिद्धांत.
Reverse drill. Now we flip it around. This is where your brain sits up and says, oh, we are working today.
लक्ष्य.
Objective.
अमलीकरण.
Implementation.
प्रक्रिया.
Procedure.
पगलू.
Measure.
स्ट्रेटेजी.
Strategy.
संकल्पना.
Concept.
सिद्धांत.
Principle. Tiny quiz, big confidence. Let us test your memory. If you get one wrong, that is fine. Even the goat needed 2 tries and 1 cucumber. What is the Gujarati word for objective?
लक्ष्य.
What is the Gujarati word for implementation?
अमलीकरण.
Which Gujarati word means procedure?
प्रक्रिया.
Which Gujarati word means a measure or action taken?
पगलू.
How do you say strategy in Gujarati?
स्ट्रेटेजी.
What is the Gujarati word for concept?
संकल्पना.
And principle?
सिद्धांत.
Friendly conclusion. Nicely done. You just learned vocabulary that can make you sound thoughtful in class, sharp in meetings, and very impressive near whiteboards. Today you practiced objective,
लक्ष्य.
implementation,
अमलीकरण.
procedure,
प्रक्रिया.
measure,
पगलू.
strategy,
स्ट्रेटेजी.
concept,
संकल्पना.
and principle.
सिद्धांत.
Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing, say the words aloud, use them in your own sentences, and come back soon for more English to Gujarati learning. You are doing great.